Hello everyone, welcome to my course Introduction to the Linux. As you can see here, Linux made the source code available to the public at the end of 1992, and this made the lot of developer to do research on this Linux operating system and make some modification on the code and introduce some different operating system. In my syllabus, I'm going to show you what are the different version of Linux was developed after the 1992, and many Linux-based system was operating system was developed after this once the source code was made available by uh, Linus. You can see this graph year-wise. The number of user was increasing here. As you can see, in the 1994, the number of user was very less as they felt as they feel this Linux operating system difficult at the early stage. But with the help of continue practicing on the command and the security provided on by this Linux operating system, number of user will start increasing, and now you can see many more user are there in 2006, and now in 2021 also there this number is continuously increasing. So recent estimate is like one more than 129 million people. Recently, the 29 million people they are using this Linux worldwide. But this is just a like a survey. I got this idea from the Wikipedia, but even we can't assume that how many actual number of user we have. I am expecting around more than 50 million people they are using this Linux in their day-to-day life. So this is the number of registered user and the machine that are used by the Linux company. The company that are using this Linux, they also register under the Linux so that they tell that they are using the Linux. So almost this count. This is the rough idea that I took it from the Wikipedias and some other resources. But this is the assumption. I am expecting that this can be even more than that, and even the machine register is also more than that. So as I said you, Linux comes under the free software. It is an open source and it comes under FSF, which is Free Software Foundation, a matter of liberty, not price. It is the code given by this FSF, the matter of liberty, pride, not the price, because they wanted to give a quality to the people, and that's the reason they have given this free software. They thought if they give it as a free, many people they will try this, and it was this scheme was proved successful as they have given free software. Many people they downloaded and they have tried it and they found interesting to work on Linux operating system. That's the reason the Linux is used nowadays more than the Windows in various countries. And we prove that Linux is one of the best operating systems. Linux is used, as I said you, the application that the Linux are used in the education platform, in the school lab, college lab, in the industrial sectors. And this Linux is keep on improving. Like by changing the source code, we are improving this several Linux features, and it is keep on updating. I hope you like the content. In my next video, I will going to cover some more points on this Linux. Till then, bye.